Welcome to the exciting world of dropshipping. It's 2025, and the e-commerce landscape is booming. Dropshipping remains a fantastic way to start your own online business with low overhead. But success requires careful planning and execution. This guide will be your roadmap. We'll explore proven strategies to thrive in the competitive world of dropshipping. Get ready to unlock the secrets to building a profitable and sustainable business. Let's dive in. Choosing the right niche is the cornerstone of dropshipping success. It's not just about what products are trending, it's about finding a market you're passionate about, one with enough demand to sustain your business. A narrow niche allows you to target specific customers. You become the go-to expert, building trust and loyalty. Think about your interests and skills. Can you combine them with a profitable niche? Once you have a niche, the next step is to dive deep into understanding your customers. This is where the magic happens. It's time to understand your customers. Who are they? What drives their purchasing decisions? What problems are they trying to solve? What are their needs and desires? These questions are the foundation of your market research. Thorough market research is crucial. It's not just about collecting data, but interpreting it to uncover insights that can guide your strategy. Explore online marketplaces like Amazon and Etsy. These platforms are treasure troves of information. Pay attention to bestsellers and customer reviews. They reveal what products are in demand and what customers value most. Social media is a goldmine for trend spotting. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn can provide real-time insights into what's trending. Follow influencers in your niche. Influencers have their fingers on the pulse of the market and can offer a glimpse into emerging trends. See what's generating buzz on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. These platforms are where trends often start and gain momentum. Use tools like Google Trends to analyze search volume for keywords related to your niche. This can help you understand the popularity of certain topics over time. Attend webinars and online seminars. These events can provide valuable insights and keep you updated on industry trends. Read industry reports and white papers. These documents often contain in-depth analysis and forecasts that can inform your strategy. Network with other professionals in your field. Building relationships can lead to valuable insights and opportunities. Conduct surveys and gather feedback directly from your customers. Their input is invaluable in shaping your offerings. Analyze the survey results to identify patterns and trends. This data can help you refine your products and services. Use all this information to brainstorm and innovate. The goal is to create products and services that not only meet but exceed customer expectations. Present your ideas to your team and gather feedback. Collaboration can lead to even better solutions. Finally, launch your product and monitor customer reactions. Be ready to adapt and improve based on their feedback. Riding the wave of customer demand is an ongoing process. Stay agile, stay informed, and keep your customers at the heart of everything you do. Your suppliers are critical partners. They handle inventory, packaging, and shipping. Choosing reliable and quality-focused suppliers is non-negotiable. Look for suppliers with a proven track record. Don't hesitate to ask for samples. Check their communication responsiveness. Building strong relationships with your suppliers is key. Clear communication and mutual respect will lead to smoother operations and happier customers. Building your brand from logo to loyal customers. It all starts with a vision. An idea that represents your business's core values and mission. This vision is then translated into a logo, a symbol that encapsulates everything your brand stands for. A well-designed logo is not just a pretty picture, it's the face of your business, the first impression you make on potential customers. In the crowded world of e-commerce, branding is your superpower. With countless businesses vying for attention, a strong brand identity sets you apart. It's not just about having a unique product. It's about creating an emotional connection with your audience. Your brand tells a story, and that story needs to resonate with your customers on a personal level. It's how you differentiate yourself. Your brand is your promise to your customers. It's what they can expect from your products and services. A strong brand builds trust and loyalty, making customers more likely to choose you over competitors. It's about standing out in a sea of sameness and being memorable. Start with a memorable logo and a cohesive brand aesthetic. Your logo should be simple, versatile, and timeless. It should look good on everything from business cards to billboards. But a logo is just the beginning. Your brand aesthetic includes your color scheme, typography, and overall design style. These elements should be consistent across all your marketing materials. This includes your website design, product photography, and social media presence. Your website is often the first place customers interact with your brand, so it needs to be user-friendly and visually appealing. High-quality product photos can make a big difference in how your products are perceived. And don't underestimate the power of social media. It's a great way to engage with your audience and build a community around your brand. Offer excellent customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries. Show your customers that you value their business and are willing to go the extra mile to make them happy. Go the extra mile to resolve issues. When problems arise, handle them with care and professionalism. A satisfied customer is more likely to return and recommend your business to others. Turn negative experiences into positive ones by showing empathy and offering solutions. This can turn a disgruntled customer into a loyal advocate for your brand. Consider personalized touches like handwritten thank you notes or small gifts. These small gestures can make a big impact. They show your customers that you appreciate their business and are willing to go above and beyond to make their experience special. Personalization can create a deeper connection with your customers and make them feel valued. Happy customers become brand advocates. When customers have a positive experience with your brand, they are more likely to share it with others. Word of mouth is one of the most powerful marketing tools. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and testimonials. These can build credibility and attract new customers. Remember, a loyal customer is not just a repeat buyer, they are a promoter of your brand. Technology is your best friend in dropshipping. Numerous tools can streamline your operations and boost efficiency. Use e-commerce platforms like Shopify to build your online store. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and integrations with various payment gateways. Leverage automation tools for order fulfillment and inventory management. Consider email marketing services to nurture leads and build customer relationships. And stay updated on the latest software and apps. Getting your products in front of the right customers is essential. Social media advertising is a powerful tool. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram allow you to target specific demographics and interests. Experiment with different ad formats and creatives to see what resonates best with your audience. Influencer marketing is another effective strategy. Collaborate with influencers in your niche. They can promote your products to their engaged followers, driving traffic and sales. Don't be afraid to experiment. In the world of dropshipping, experimentation is key to finding what works best for your business. Whether it's trying out new marketing techniques, exploring different product niches, or adjusting your pricing strategies, being open to change can lead to significant growth and success. Continuously test different marketing campaigns, product offerings, and pricing strategies. This means running A/B tests on your ads, experimenting with various product descriptions, and even trying out different promotional tactics. The more you test, the more data you'll gather, which will help you make informed decisions. Use analytics tools to track your website traffic, sales conversions, and customer behavior. Tools like Google Analytics, Shopify Analytics, and other e-commerce platforms provide valuable insights into how your customers are interacting with your site. By understanding these metrics, you can identify patterns and trends that can inform your business strategies. Analyze the data to understand what's working and what's not. Look at which products are selling well, which marketing campaigns are driving the most traffic, and where customers are dropping off in the sales funnel. This analysis will help you pinpoint areas for improvement and optimize your operations. The dropshipping landscape is constantly evolving, so stay adaptable. Market trends, customer preferences, and even global events can impact your business. Being flexible and ready to pivot when necessary will help you stay ahead of the competition and meet your customers' needs. Be willing to adjust your strategies based on market trends and customer feedback. Embrace a growth mindset. Listen to what your customers are saying through reviews and feedback. Use this information to refine your product offerings, improve your customer service, and enhance the overall shopping experience. View challenges as opportunities to learn and improve. Every setback is a chance to gain new insights and develop better strategies. Celebrate your small wins as they are stepping stones to greater success. By maintaining a positive attitude and a willingness to learn, you'll be better equipped to navigate the ups and downs of the dropshipping business. Dropshipping offers incredible potential for aspiring entrepreneurs. By following the strategies outlined in this guide, you'll be well on your way to building a successful and fulfilling business. Remember, success takes time and effort. Stay focused, persistent, and passionate about your niche. Embrace the journey and enjoy the rewards of being your own boss.